my series on Dollar Tree jewelry gift ideas. Today I'm showing you a wire wrapping method for displaying this painted stone. For this piece I'll be using an accent rock from Dollar Tree, metallic acrylic paint, gold beading wire 24 gauge, and a set of jewelry tools, round nose pliers, needle nose pliers, and side cutters. You can get these from Walmart or any craft store. For this piece I chose a small smooth rock and decided to dab on a little gold and bronze paint all the way around. Then I took a sponge and blotted all around the rock so that it was left with a golden shimmer. I dabbed on some black in a few places and did the same thing. After the paint dried, I also cured it in the oven for about 30 minutes, and I brushed some clear polish on it to make it shine a little bit. I cut 2 pieces of wire at about 12 inches, and I am going to line these up together and find the middle. And I am going to twist this about 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm making an H shape with the wires, and I'm going to lay the twist on one side of the stone. Then next I'm going to cross those wires across the front of the stone in the middle, and I'm going to take the bottom 2 wires and twist those together, and I'm going to do 5 twists. And then I'm going to lay those wires up. So you're going to need as many twists as you need to get up to the top to meet the other wires at the top. So this is going to be on the side up at the top. So press that together. So next I'm going to turn it towards the back, and I'm going to take the 2 wires at the top that meet in the back, and I'm going to twist those in the middle down the back. I'm going to twist that about 5 times also, or more. I want it to go almost to the top so that it reaches about right here. Now I'm going to turn the rock over to the front and take those other 2 wires that are in the front now, and I'm going to twist that 5 times in the center. And then push that twisted line up towards the top in the center. And now I have 2 double wires on each side, which I'm going to do the same. I'm going to turn it to the side and twist those 2 pieces 5 times again. Push that upward and then turn it over and twist the other 2 pieces 5 times. Push it up. Now I'm going to turn it to the front and twist one last time in the front, those 2 pieces, 5 twists, going up, and turn it over and twist in the back, 5 twists, going up. Now I'm just going to line those 2 twists up. Just pull them up together, and I'm just going to adjust everything so it's sort of even all the way around. And if you look at it, it looks like a little cage. So I'm left with 4 wires at the top, and now I'm going to start to make my bail. I'm going to take the shortest wire and just twist it around the bottom, around the neck, twisting those 2 twists together. It's going to start at the top and go kind of neatly around, and you can cut it if there's a piece left, or I'm going to use the tools to kind of push that little piece in so it's not poking out. And then I'm going to take the next shortest wire and wrap that around too, from the top going towards the bottom. Now I have some length at the bottom of this, so I'm going to use this to make a design. I'm going to use my round nose pliers and just curl it, make a little curl right at the bottom of the neck, like that. And now I can make my bell at the top. Okay, so I'm going to use something round to make a circle at the top, and I am going to wrap the wire around it from the inside out a couple of times on one side, and then wrap the other wire on the other side from the inside out. And I suggest you use something bigger than a skewer, because you're going to need to put your wire through it, maybe with the clamps on it. Maybe you could use something like a pencil, but I'm just going to put a wire through this, so this is going to be pretty small. So I'm holding down the bell, and I'm going to twist the wire around it from the top to the bottom, and I have a little extra left over. I'm going to take the other piece and also twist that around, and I'm going to use those extra pieces to also make a curl design. The top one here I'm going to cut off and use my tool to curve that inward and press it in. So I'm going to take that last piece that was hanging down, and I'm going to make a curl with that and position those curls the way I want them. Now lastly, what I want to do is make sure this is really tight. So I'm going to turn it to the back and use my needle nose pliers, and I'm going to crimp it. Crimping is just turning the wires so that it pulls the wires tighter. I'm going to make a little notch in it wherever I need to tighten up areas. And I'm doing that on the back so you can't see, but it still looks like a little design, like a little lightning bolt. And that makes this little cage that I made really tight so that the stone is secure inside. And now your pendant is ready to hang on a necklace. This is a little gold necklace I got from Walmart for about $2. But now you have your own beautiful little stone to display that is shimmering in gold, wrapped in a secure gold cage wire. Hey guys, check out my Etsy store where you can get some of the very projects made on this show. And for just a few dollars, you can get instant digital downloads of full color step-by-step instructions with templates for some of your favorite projects. And check out my Amazon page where you can pick up my multi-surface acrylic metallic paint, back in stock with 8 beautiful shimmering colors. You can mix millions of colors and create endless home beauty for indoor and outdoor projects. And while you're there, pick up my Book of Elegant Home Crafts Volume 1 with all your favorite projects together in one big beautiful colored step-by-step instruction book. On my Amazon page, you'll see all my favorite crafting tools and supplies used on this show, and you can add them all to your cart for the one-click, fast and easy shopping and delivery convenience of Amazon. I'll be working every day to make crafting fun and easy for you. Follow me at Your House of Home and Your House of Home TV on all social media for extra home, food, and gardening tips.